Turbo Trading with head trader Robert Knight, MBA.
Okay, SRG, it's a stock we were trading here this morning, and the question came up that we got stopped out when we had this pattern at $10.30, $10.30, and then it backed off. And the question is, how do you know when to re-enter, or if you should re-enter? So that's a very good question. So here it is. It's in this big rising channel. It broke out of this wedge pattern here this morning, right around 950 entry level. And it does trade up to this 1085, but you get this big long wick up, next candles are red. So we put in a stop. We say you should probably stop this under 1030 down in this level here. And it did come down to it. It held the support there, pop, but when it got to this declining channel line, it failed to go through that and then sold off sharply. Now it did get down as low as 995, kind of bottoming in here. So how do you know when to re-enter? Well, that's, and the point is, let's see, if this is an A, here's your B, this is, and then this is C. This is where you accumulate the stock, but it needs to hold it. You know, the 995 area. You know, it would have been a tough one to accumulate at 10, but it just touched down through that. So you can, so as an ABCD pattern, here's your A, B, accumulate in C. When it breaks out, or when it gets to high of day, you sell half your position, and then let the rest run and go till you get the next sell signal. But if you hadn't recognized this as an ABC pattern, ABCD pattern, because this C pattern did trade below this 1025, so it would have been hard to decide that that was the area. But we see that it was in a downtrending channel like this. And when the 15 EMA here crossed the 50, at the same time it breaks out of this declining channel line, there's a buy signal right there, 10.25, and boom, off it took to 11.25. Now it looks like it's going to start going again here. If this gets over the 11.15, it probably gets a spike, 11.50, 11.75. So there's your two patterns that you were maybe able to get it. Probably the stronger pattern is this downtrending channel, then the 15 crossing the 50 at the same time as breaking out of the channel line. That was your buy signal, 10.25.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Reach new levels of trading proficiency. Become a member at turbotrading.biz.